Chunnu and Munnu went to a farm. Early in the day they saw a cow go moo moo moo, while munching on some hay. Milked the cow and pat her head. She's so gentle, Munnu said. Chunnu smiled and gave a cheer. I wish we came here every year. They met a duck who flapped its wings and gave a little quack. Munnu laughed and followed it as it waddled down the track. There were hens and sheep and bees buzzing softly near the trees. Chunnu said, they work all day, let's not scare them while we play. A tractor rolled across the field and they both got a ride. Bumpy roads and spinning wheels with a farmer as their guide. They learned how carrots grow below and sunflowers reach up slow. Farming's fun, the brothers said, waving hats upon their head. When the day was nearly done and the sky turned pink and white, they fed the goats and said goodbye with joy they could not hide. They left the farm with happy hearts and stories they would share of mooing cows and tractor rides and friends